So everybody continues to forget about XLM, the digital asset that was founded by the ex-founder of XRP, and it's set to go to over $724.94, all within the next couple of days, alongside XRP. Now, if you guys haven't heard of XLM, you probably should have, because this is ranked number 14 in cryptocurrencies. It had a major pump, skyrocketed to all-time high, did a minor retracement, and is now starting at 43 cents, up in the last 7 days, from about 0.16 or 16% to all the way up to 43 cents. Now, of course, this thing is absolutely bullish. If you take a look at the chart, we are breaking out exactly the same way we did back in 2018 for the XLM all-time high. Also, we did a similar breakout and we touched all-time high back in 2021. And looking at it now, it seems to be pulling the exact same curve. Take a look at this chart exactly like in 2021. We had the major breakout, then we had that minor retracement, and then we had that recovery, and then again, it kept on breaking forward. So if we look at the charts, guys, the charts are clearly repeating themselves, both in volume, in price, and we're about to see an even bigger jump this XLM bull run, because if you take a look at the facts, well, XLM is placed as one of the only American tokens. If you look here for cryptocurrencies, Mega, which is US-based cryptocurrencies that will be tax-free, you have Algorand, XRP, ADA, XLM, HBAR, and XYO. Remember, these are going to get all of the money. All the money is going to be facilitated through these basically 6 or 7 tokens due to the fact that they're based in America. So you have to understand this is extremely bullish, and it really shows you that when you look and you consolidate all the wealth, it's going to go into these tokens. It's not going to go into things like, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum, because these are not actually US based. Now, to take a look at a bigger scale, we've seen that XLM has taken a lot of spotlight. I mean, just take a look at this when you talk about gold-backed cryptocurrencies. Zimbabwe has made it clear that they're set to adopt both XRP and XLM for payments, considering backing them up with gold. And it's clear here, XRP and XLM. But to specify specifically to XLM, which is about to get all the money, even probably equal to XRP or substantially more, is a massive partnership that involves Elon Musk. Here's what a former ex-employee actually stated. He said, "We're working on something big. If Elon confirms what we all expect, XLM will not just be another cryptocurrency, but rather the financial heart of our platform." If you guys didn't hear this, X actually publicly announced that they would be building a payment system using cryptocurrencies and that they expect to facilitate half the global wealth. Now, before we move forward in today's video, we have to thank the sponsor of it, and that is Banx. Now, if you guys have probably heard about the XRP ledger, which actually houses tons and tons of meme coins. I mean, people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars on a daily basis, just capitalizing on meme coins on the XRP ledger. Think about it like the next Solana. Solana had a bunch of meme coins, people were making absolute tons of money, and now you have what we call is the XRP ledger meme coin bull run. Again, guys, if you are going to try and get in on these golden opportunities, understand that this is very risky, but the Banx platform offers you all the tools to know the most amount of information, their score, whether you know how high of a risk, their total wallets, their top holders, their KYC, or their Banx score. It even gives you all of the easiest ways to capitalize on getting in on the XRP ledger, meme coins, like buying, selling, and even buying with fiat currency, which is something that no other multi-chain platform has. And not only are they on the XRP ledger, but they actually have even ERC20, which is set to launch. So it's definitely a golden opportunity to check them out using my link in the description if you want to capitalize on the next big thing. Now again, I'll be leaving all links in the description. Thank you so much, Banx, for sponsoring today's video. And with that being said, let's get right into it. So XLM has already been priced at over $724.94. Along with that, you have 2 other digital currencies, XRP following suit at $983.29, and CTF token based a price at around $1,873.81. Now, what do all of these massive tokens have in common? Well, they all deal with payments. And XLM being priced at $724, going from a whopping price, which is currently sitting at actually very low when you look at it from the big picture, 43 cents, to that massive number of over $724. Again, this is a major move being said here, but it's all going to set to happen through billions of dollars, which will likely flow through a major partnership, either with Elon Musk or the Federal Reserve alone. And it's crazy because both of these institutions, both Elon Musk's companies and the Federal Reserve, has already highlighted that they want to use XLM in some way, shape, or form. But let's focus on Elon Musk, because this is what this tweet is about. I mean, this is extremely bullish. Just take a look at this on your own. I'll read it to you, but it says, X is likely to partner with Stellar Foundation to enable the use of XLM as a payment method. Jed McCaleb already has relationships with Elon Musk through SpaceX. And in the wake of cyber attacks on the banking system, XLM powered by Starlink could be a necessary system. And again, as you can look at here, it literally says vast startup company backed by cryptocurrency billionaire Jed McCaleb, which is the founder of XLM and the CEO of XLM, is aiming to launch a school bus-sized space station to orbit by late 2025 with some help from partner SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket firm. Now, this is in fact an older tweet, and I will make this clear, but if you guys take a look here, it says the Federal Reserve has publicly stated that XRP and XLM may be used to facilitate the blockchain aspect of their FedNow payment system. And if you look closely and we pull this up, it says here, it highlights both Ripple and XLM. In fact, it says the FedNow service partnership with Metal blockchain for quick fiat and stablecoin conversions marks a major milestone in bridging the barrier between conventional banking and decentralized finance. I'm going to skip the part where it says Ripple here, but it doesn't mention Ripple. But it also says, additionally, Stellar Lumens XLM, a blockchain-based payment network that offers a quicker, more cost-effective method for executing global payments, might also be among the companies that the FedNow will utilize. Now that is XLM. Now, of course, as we talk about XLM being very bullish, hitting $724.94, we also have to comprehend that the CTF token is really also going to dominate. Of course, this video is dedicated to talk about XLM, but it also talks about really generational wealth making. And there are 3 cryptocurrencies that are on this list, in my opinion, that also I think are very bullish. I mean, it's listed XRP, CTF, XLM, so let's take a look at the next cryptocurrency, CTF token. Now, I have to say this has been something that I've been looking at for some time now, and it's been freaking bullish. Up 27% just in the last 24 hours. Guys, this thing did a massive parabolic pattern. I told you guys there was a juicy little entrance point. We were probably around here. It ended up retracing some more just a couple weeks ago, and then it obviously pumped up. I mean, this thing has made generational money, and it continues to do so every single day, specifically since we are in its very early phase. I mean, if you take a look at the CTF token on a bigger scale, this thing is not listed anywhere yet. It's not listed on Binance, it's not listed on Crypto.com, it's not listed on Kraken, it's not listed on any of the other major exchanges. In fact, and this is really what's very, very bullish, I mean, this thing is going to easily probably pump to $20, $30, $40 in the next probably, and again, I'm not financial advisor, it's not financial advice, nobody's doing research. I want to highlight that right here, but we could see $10 per CTF token in literally the next 48 to 72 hours because of this major announcement that they just released. In fact, this is probably the reason why it's pumping, and they just released it. So as people wake up, it's currently midnight, 4 a.m. As people wake up and see it, it's going to keep on skyrocketing. So it's about getting in at a golden opportunity. I mean, this is a great opportunity right here. We just did a minor retracement. It hit its high, did a minor retracement. It's now accumulation phase. Again, in terms of in the next couple hours, we're probably going to see another breakout upwards forward. So it's looking like a massive, massive, massive breakout pattern. I mean, when you get analysts literally predicting 1,400 per CTF token, specifically since they just recently onboarded Amazon, they recently also onboarded Walmart, and they're still in beta phase. So the systems haven't went live yet, but it's official, they are onboarded. I mean, it has a very low supply of only 120 million tokens. Again, it's also why the impact is so significant. This thing is going to absolutely go parabolic. It's very early. I mean, if you look at this, there's about 6,000 holders, which is nothing, because they can look at XRP, I think has about 7 million, XLM about 14 million, and they're not even, I think XLM is under still, like I showed you guys, 40 cents. This is $1.16, very early. It's a payment rewards token. I mean, this thing is extremely useful. It's a utility token, and obviously I'm very bullish on it. I've been doing a lot of research. But take a look at this major announcement that they just released. It says, important announcement ahead, January 30th. We're excited to share that something significant is on the horizon. OKX, a global leader in cryptocurrency exchanges, serves about 20 million users and boasts an average daily trading volume from 1 to 3 billion, making it a key player in the crypto space. Stay tuned as we prepare for an exciting milestone that could shape the future of the industry. They also followed up with this, again, that January 30th date, which is huge, and it says, we've been gaining recognition from leading organizations in the crypto space, and we're excited to share that OKX is among those who see the potential in what we're building. Stay tuned for more detail. Guys, this is freaking insane. 1 to 3 billion daily volume. I mean, the CTF token will absolutely go parabolic or something like this. Imagine. Now, it is the top DeFi token on both the Polygon chain and the XRP ledger. It's been trending on numerous occasions on both, ledgers, both chains, and it continues to do so. I mean, this thing is going to absolutely skyrocket in value, in my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor again, but I'm telling you guys this because I want you guys to take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, an hour of your day and do your research, guys, on this golden project that's utility based. I mean, obviously I'm very bullish. I tell you guys this. I'm an avid holder of the CTF token. I continue to dollar cost average, but this is freaking bullish, and I still see very early. I mean, this is generational wealth that is going to create. This is literally the next Ethereum, Bitcoin. I mean, when you're talking about like 100,000% increase, 300,000% increase. In fact, I can re-pull up the coin market cap here, and if we pull that up, you'll be able to see something extremely bullish. I mean, I was taking a look at it, guys, and take a look at this. If I just go ahead and switch this to all time, right, and we look at this, the CTF token is currently up 207,000%, and this is when it first came out about less than a year ago, I'd say. I mean, this thing is absolutely freaking bullish. Just look at this absolutely beautiful chart, and I think it's clear that this looks to be continuing to do a major breakout. Now, of course, with all that being said, I will be leaving all links down below in the description. CTFtoken.com, cryptotradingfund.org. I mean, this is extremely utility-based blockchain generated payment rewards framework. And if you guys go to their CTF rewards actual framework, it tells you guys more about this. It says the first blockchain reward system, and it literally highlights that they've newestly, just recently onboarded Amazon and Walmart, and they are in beta phase. So this is only the start. Again, guys, definitely check them out. CTFtoken.com, tradingfund.org, and I'll be leaving all the links down below in the description. Now, guys, with all that being said, I'm going to end the video here. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with the notifications, share this video. Again, we've decided to delve not just on Jasmine, guys, because we typically talk about Jasmine on the Market Crypto channel, but now we're testing out all of the next upcoming cryptocurrencies that could literally create generational wealth as a result. So stay tuned. We're still making our daily market update for Jasmine. We're still going to be talking about crypto, but we're going to be generalizing, more diversifying content so that we get more people onto this channel. So hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, share this video. I'll see you guys next time, and peace.